All right, class. Today's notes is going to be on linear regression, and I did put in a note in your instructions. If you do not have a graphing calculator similar to one of these, you may not be able to do this. So I'll try to look online and see if I can find some online calculator links, but you need one of these to do this. If you don't have one at home, then just write down these notes, keep them, and then you'll have to practice when we get back to class. All right, so linear regression. It is a method for finding the precise line of best fit given a set of values. All right, so you need a data set, you need a set of values, and you need a calculator, and you're going to follow this. Now, we have actually done this a little bit before, but this should be a little bit of a refresher. We're going to do just a few more things with it that we haven't done. Let's look at number one. We're going to hit stat, enter, x values in column 1, y values in column 2, and then hit stat, calculate on linear regression, ax plus by equals, ax plus by, and that'll give you your y equals equation. Now, I know this printed out not very well, but these are x values, these are y values, and all we've got to do is go through these steps. So hit stat, enter, so you're going to go to edit. Now, if you see any of these values in there from the last person that used your calculator, push second quit, and go second plus 712. And what that'll do is it'll erase the RAM. It'll clear anything that somebody else typed in. So we're going to go back to stat, push enter, and all of our x values we're going to type in our L1. So we've got 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. So I've got all my x values in there. Go over to L2, and you're going to type your y values into L2. So 79.2, 80.1, 77.5, 68.7, 57.4, 42.4, 30.0, 12.7, and 1.0. Alright, I have all of my y values in there. And now we're going to go through these steps. So hit stat again, go over to calc, go all the way down to linear regression, push enter, and go all the way down to calculate and push enter again. So it says y equals ax plus b, and it gives you a and b. You're going to write your line as y equals, your a is your slope, negative 1.0605 x, and then that's positive, so it's going to be plus 92.308. So let's go ahead and just round that to 2 places, so we don't have to write that whole thing. So 92.31. And we probably should have rounded this one to negative 1.06. And this is our line. Now it says, estimate the average temperature of a latitude at 25 degrees. Well, that 25 degrees is going to be in between 20 and 30. So all we'd have to do is take our line, negative 1.06, put in 25, and just hit calculate from there. So second quit to get out of that menu, and let's do negative 1.06 parentheses 25 plus 92.31. And I end up getting 65.81. So that should be the average temperature, degrees Fahrenheit, at 25 degrees latitude. Now, our second example, we're going to have to do something a little bit different, so I'm going to stop the video here, and we're going to do the second example in the next video.